Hi, Tim Anders with the Anders team at Berkshire Hathaway. Thanks for joining us. I'm sitting here talking with Mike Cole today about title insurance. Not necessarily the most fun topic, but a lot of detail going into it. Mike, what exactly is title insurance?
First, I'm wondering why you don't think title insurance is a fun topic.
Okay,
I've devoted my entire life to title insurance, Tim. But no, title insurance is actually a product that insures the purchaser in a property when you have a real estate transaction. We have a transaction where the title, you kind of have to understand title before you understand title insurance. In the United States, we have a system, a land record system, where all records that are involved in a real estate transaction, property, are recorded in a Register of Deeds office. But they're chronologically recorded, so it just goes back year to year to year. There's really no way to know what affects what property without what we call an abstract. And we have a person that comes in and they go through all those records and figure out what records affect the property. We create then what's called a title insurance commitment, and that is a report on the property. And that's a nice thing, and for years and years and years, that's all they had. They called it an abstract. Here's everything that affects the property. The problem with that is, if it's flawed, if there's a missed interest or something like that, the buyer had no recourse. They just had a flawed product. So title insurance was really a derivative of that, and it's an actual insurance policy so that if after you purchase your home, somebody comes up and they've got an interest in the property, there's a lien on the property that wasn't yours, there's an actual insurance policy that will protect your interest in the property.
Awesome, awesome. Now I understand because I'm in the business a little bit, there's different kinds of title insurance policies. What exactly are they?
There's an owner's policy and a lender's policy. There's other policies, but basically there's an owner's policy and a lender's policy. And what happens is the owner's policy protects the owner, the purchaser of the real estate. But obviously mortgage companies have a significant investment in people's homes also, and so they need an insurance policy too, because if the owner defaults on their mortgage and the mortgage company ends up owning the property, and if there's a title insurance issue or a title issue, that policy protects their interest.
Cool, cool. Now, title insurance is one of those things that we just don't quite understand. We're getting a little bit more knowledge here. Where does all of this stuff happen during the purchase process?
Good question. What happens is it really happens at the time the purchase agreement is signed. We get an order for title insurance at that point, and we begin the process. We do all the research at that point. We issue the title insurance commitment, and then at the closing, we're the ones that actually perform the closing. We bring all the money in, we have all the documents executed, we record stuff in the Register of Deeds office, and then at the very end, once everything's done, we give the purchaser the owner's policy title insurance.
Awesome, awesome. Hey, Mike, thanks for coming with us
problem.
today.
Thank
Mike
you, Tim.
with Title Resource Agency, great company. And thanks for being part of the Anders team again today. See you later.